Hey guys, Chef Phil, the Westin Poinsett Hotel. I'm the executive chef here, and I'm happy to share my spoonbread recipe with you. So what we do is after we make the mixture, scoop it out into little individual portions, basically, and then we serve this the same way they would have served it, starting in the 40s. But I can show you how it's made. First I need to boil some water. I have a combination of cornmeal, salt, and sugar. So the cornmeal, salt, sugar mixture, we add boiling water.
What does that be boiling? Can it be hot water? Does it have to be boiling water?
Well, just very hot water is
Okay.
fine. Like, we boil it and just add boiling water to it. Let this rest for 5 minutes, just so the water can get going with the cornmeal, salt. And we add melted butter. So that's incorporated. Eggs.
Two eggs?
2 eggs that are beaten. Cup of cornmeal, teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 beaten eggs, and a cup of milk. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. That just kind of makes it light and fluffy, basically. And the eggs, give it a little soft texture.
You mentioned earlier that it differs from cornbread because of the eggs.
The egg whites, yeah. Just kind of basically incorporate the egg whites into it, and it just gives it a lighter texture than your traditional cornbread.
So what do you normally do for cornbread?
Well, you still add eggs, but it's the stages that you add it in. So, I don't know, it just makes it lighter. You add the eggs in later, after you let the cornmeal rest, add the baking powder to it.
So the resting makes the cornmeal expand then?
Yeah. And have a buttered dish. It looks like this stage it's a lot looser than your traditional cornbread mixture. After we bake it for 30 minutes, and it comes out looking like so, and then we scoop it out, like I said, in individual portions, and then just give it a little quick reheat in the oven before we serve it. A lot of people will drizzle honey on it or rub it with butter. I like to drizzle honey on it because it adds a little sweetness to it.